Hey, gang, James Harnsberger here, and welcome to Wealth by Design. That's it, Wealth by Design. And what we're really talking about when we talk about wealth by design, we're taking one aspect of our life, the financial aspect of our life. We have a lot of aspects to our life. We have the emotional, we have spiritual, we have our health, we have our relationships, we have our environment, where we live, where we work. We also have an important aspect, and that's the financial aspect. That's about money, security, financial freedom, and all of those things. And so, just to introduce you to the principle, the wealth by design is really a way in which you, me, Alan, anybody can sit down and decide, how do you want to design your financial life? Before you run off to the cliff and jump off without a chute, before you run off the rail with your hair on fire, I can't do this, I can't do that. Why don't we take a step back and introduce you to this program and help you see how you can decide to design the financial life you desire. Alan de Vinagracia has been going through the program. Alan, just real quick, are you in a different place today than you were 18 months ago?
Oh, yes, definitely. Yep.
Let me ask you a question. Do you have more or less financial security and freedom today than you did 18 months ago?
Absolutely.
And as I understand, and when we do the interview, I'm going to bring you back on
Yeah.
the show. We're going to talk about this. I understand that you're actually working also with your son, doing what you've done. How old is your son?
My son's good. He's 26 years old.
26.
Yeah.
Okay. So he's in that perfect
Oh,
age.
yes.
And you're working with him to apply these same principles.
Exactly.
How's
Yes.
that going?
It's going well. Actually, he has his own stocks that he buys too.
Wow,
Yeah.
he's got his own
Yeah.
stocks.
And
Wow.
then we communicate. When he said, "Oh, Dad, look at this symbol." It's the same thing to you. Look at this symbol. So we
Perfect.
communicate and buying those
So
symbols.
you're
Yeah.
collaborating together.
Yep.
All right,
Yeah.
cool. So, for those, all of you that are watching, you have kids, sons, daughters, brothers, sisters, husbands, wives, all of these people that are in our life. And with this crap with COVID and just the disruption that it's caused, what it's also caused is it's caused an opportunity to be created for us to sort of step back and take an assessment and really ask a different question. Not a better question, not a worse question, just a different question. What kind of financial life do I desire that I want to design? And that the reason that that is so important is because we waste so much money, we waste so much time and effort building a financial plan, building an insurance plan, building a retirement plan, building a tax plan, blah, 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 blah. We never, never, never talk about designing the financial life that we truly desire. And I think the most important part of that, my belief is that it is a birthright to be rich, financially secure. It is a birthright to create and have financial freedom. However, you define that, it's got to be defined. But before you build the plan, you have to decide, how do you want to design your financial life? And so, wealth by design is going to give you the opportunity to take that next step, opt in to subscribe. There's no cost, free 90-day free trial. Kick the tires, try, use everything, because I guarantee you, we're going to do an interview with Alan. We're going to bring him back and we're going to walk through, and you're going to see him and others that we're going to be interviewing that have been in this program for some time and some that have just come into the program. This is radical transformation. This is stuff that really, really transforms how you relate to your financial life and how you decide to ignite that fire, that passion, whatever you've got, and really understand Look, you can design your financial life any way you desire. Let's work on that first before we jump off the cliff and start building a plan. My name is James Harnsberger. I am your host in Wealth by Design. We're going to be introducing you to the 7 secrets my rich clients do. And we're going to bring Alan back and we're going to talk about a couple of those secrets that he's been employing. And I guarantee you, you better buckle up, Buttercup, because this is going to be a ride. I'll see you on the flip side.